later start than expected, but we're out here grinding.
Here we go, baby.
Cunningham Falls State Park. Beautiful day. There's a snake right off the bat, but that's alright.
Shut up.
I'm dead serious. I just saw him.
There was actually one?
Yeah, it was a baby snake.
Ew.
But still.
And the thing, it was like,
I don't
dangerous,
like snakes.
20 feet crevices. There may be rattlesnakes inside. I was like, oh, okay, that's good to hear.
Yeah, so hopefully we don't get yoinked by a snake.
I think I would cry.
Over a quarter-mile in.
We are killing it.
How you feeling, Carly?
A little out of shape already.
This is a grind, a little hilly out here.
It's a little hilly.
It's worth it for the views. The rock view coming up soon.
The trees.
Plus we got nothing else better to do, honestly.
Yeah.
We're just straight chilling. Yeah. It's a bit of a grind, but we'll grind ain't hurt nobody. We're about a half mile in.
Yeah.
And we got about that to go up right now.
It's hot.
Let's
like
get it
90
done.
degrees.
You never did this at cheer?
Oh, no, I can't say we did. More flat mat.
We made it.
Oh,
Now we just got this to go up.
the next one.
Well, we're probably about 3/10 of a mile from our first
Destination.
stop, Chimney Rock. Pretty cool. At least we think we're going the right way. Guess we'll see.
Not really positive, but
Guess we'll see. 1 mile done.
1 mile, baby.
Not sure how many more we're gonna go today. Hopefully a lot more, because it's a beautiful hike. We're almost to the Chimney Rock.
We're close, we're close.
We made it.
We made it.
Let's go check it out. So now, as you can see, we've reached the top. Now we're just casually having a little picnic on top of a mountain.
On top of the, hill.
1,400 feet in the air is her prediction. I think that's probably pretty darn close.
Pretty accurate.
Quite a view. Perfect day. No complaints. Chimney Rock. Big trust.
Feeling revived, baby.
Chimney Rock? Check. Or I guess for check it'd be that way. I don't know. We'll see. Wolf Rock, here we go. It's about a 0.4 mile hike to Wolf Rock now.
Don't remember what this one looks like, but Nick almost broke his ankle.
Yeah, I try to jump from the higher rock down to like a
Okay,
landing
good.
zone.
Good 8 to 10 foot drop.
Yeah, it only looked like a 3 to 5 footer and ended up being like 8 to 10. So.
Oopsie.
Got me a little rattled, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Carly, what do you think of the view?
I like the view.
She liked the view.
You do? It's my best view.
Quite a view.
Like
We had a good picnic up there.
ate some cheeses, extra toasty for an extra toasty day.
One thing I'm kind of well known for is,
Oh,
at least with my friends, is putting random stuff on sandwiches and eating it.
Custom sandwiches.
It's some of my best work, honestly.
We've had
some of my
animal
best work.
crackers, ham, cheese, all together.
Ketchup, animal crackers, ham and cheese. Yeah, that was a good one. So today we had a PB&J sandwich Carly made, and she had some toasted Cheez-Its.
That he put together.
So what do we do with those? Got a couple options, but you know what I did? I had to put the Cheez-Its on the PB&J. Spice it
Had
up a little bit.
Toasty cheese
You know?
crumbs on my side, but it's okay.
What I always like to say is, your taste buds get bored after a while. And so that's why I like to switch it up. It was truly a work of art. The Cheez-Its and the PB&J, now that's a combo. We're definitely gonna run that one back. The way I look at it, it's just art that you can eat.
Art that I don't know about that one. Have you heard that you can make any type of cookie out of cake mix? So if you wanted like red velvet flavored cookies, you would do like 2 eggs, I think, and just add them in there.
I haven't heard that one, but let's give it a try. I don't know how far we are. We got a distance.
0.36 miles. We're almost
Let's
there.
see. Oh yeah.
0.36.
So we've reached Wolf Rock. We're here.
I think.
This one goes all the way out there. Oh, yeah. Not where you want to end up, right there. Pretty cool.
Pretty high.
All right, so Wolf Creek, or Wolf Rock, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Could have been better. Not bad.
Not
It's
bad.
pretty cool rocky terrain. It's just not the views we're looking for, you know? Half the reason you hike, at least, is for the views. Not the YouTube views, the nature views, just to clarify. Although I do like the views on YouTube too, but I don't get many.
Subscribe, please.
I really don't get many of those, so more in it for the nature views. Oh.
Kind of disappointed we haven't run into any critters yet.
Carly loves snakes.
I hate that. I'm like traumatized.
We saw one right when we walked in. It was a baby snake. Oh, there's probably a couple down there. What do you think?
I don't like that view.
There you go.
Got it.
Nature girl car. Ooh.
Bye.
Limbo.
Bye.
Now we're hitting the waterfall. So we're still following the red trail.
Why do bugs?
She gets
Always
attacked by
come to
more
me.
bugs than 99.99999% of
I have
humans.
like 20 bug bites on my body right now. I have sweet blood, I guess.
Destroyed by bugs.
Just some sweet.
Yeah, we got a little bit of uphill ahead of us, but easy money. She tried to get me to do a bar workout with her this morning. Like B-A-R-R-E, is that how you spell it, I think?
Yeah.
One of
I'm
those.
kind of glad we didn't now.
Never done one. She's done plenty,
Yeah.
but I was not vibing with it before a hike.
So last time I came to this trail, I was probably like 14. And I remember it being a really good hike, but I didn't remember it being this steep. So I was like, oh yeah, we'll be fine doing bar. No.
Quite rocky. No twisted ankles yet.
I'm prone.
Knock on wood.
Yeah.
Some dude said he biked up
I have no idea.
the
how
hill.
it's like-
No idea how he did that, but
Look how many like.
mad respect. Yeah, we got all
Did
these
you hear him?
roots everywhere.
He must have like biked to the park.
True. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
Because like this is so uphill with so many rocks. I feel like
Yeah,
biking-
that would be, he'd be on the Tour de France. Shout out to my boy Tommy Steinbronner, national champion mountain biker. So I'm sure he could do this easy. He's a wizard on the bike. So Carly just thinks she came up with our next hike. We've done one hilly hike so far, and it's been this. And she goes,
Why don't we hike the Appalachian Trail?
we're on the come up.
I think we could handle
Appalachian Trail.
it.
Here we
13
come.
miles, isn't it 13 miles?
I have no idea.
I think it's like 13 miles. I could be like completely wrong, but
Hey, we'll figure it out.
yeah.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
When I was 4 and we went to Hawaii, we went up to like the top of a volcano, and I literally had like a freak out tantrum because I thought that like when you went up a volcano, you drove like this, like straight up, like. But also I was 4, so like.
So we made it most of the way down, and we ended up on a road.
Yeah.
Just because we took a different trail than we wanted to, and we want to go see the waterfalls. So what we're doing is we're walking along the road down to the next parking spot. That trail should take us right to the waterfall. It's like a 1.2 mile hike from the parking spot to the waterfall.
Yeah.
So yeah,
We're gonna keep on chugging along here. Hopefully we don't get hit by a car. We are taking it back to the olden days. Picked up a little mapping map. We
What?
also discovered that we did the hardest trail,
we
or
did.
the most strenuous trail.
No reason to start with the easy one. You just gotta go for the hardest one and give
The hardest
it all
ones
you
were
got.
the best view. Like
They were the best
you
view.
have to do it.
They were the best view.
It was so pretty.
It was beautiful. We could see for miles and miles and miles and miles. So, no idea how far we could see, but pretty dang far. So we finally got back on the trail,
Here we are.
heading down to the waterfall. I think we're going the right way.
Or we're going the opposite way.
Either way, we're going somewhere. So
Yeah.
who knows? In case you're wondering, the camera I'm using, it's GoPro Hero 7 Black. I made a unboxing video of the camera. So if you want to check out my video on that, just click somewhere above. We made it.
We did. We made it to the top.
So we just left the Cunningham Falls. Now we're on our hike back to our car.
Yeah, 2.2 miles to go. Let's get it.
We'll probably total like at least 7 or 8.
7 miles, yeah.
Hey, what else are we gonna do on a nice day out?
Exactly.
I mean, I can think of a lot of things, but
I enjoy this.
hiking, we'll take advantage of that all day. A lot of cool shots, a lot of drone videos. So overall, so far it's been a great day. So
Solid trip.
it was her idea to come, so
Yeah,
props to her.
we are making the most of it.
Well, I guess I got a little too distracted recording and almost took us the whole wrong way, which would have added another 4 miles. So
Good thing we got it.
thankfully Carly recognized, and we now we're back on track.
Yeah.
So, back to the car, here we go. We're just about to the visitor center, which means just about a mile left. So we'll keep cruising. You know, we're feeling good. Calves are burning a little bit, but
Yeah.
it's all part of the grind. So we got about a half mile left in our hike, and I don't know if we went the right way, but our trail's somewhere over here, so we'll figure it out. Well, good news.
Did it.
Good news. We just about made it back. Car's up there, so it's what we like. Great hike, probably about 7 to 8 miles.
Yeah.
And it was an absolute grind. The hills were a lot more hills than I thought, but overall, great time.
Good views and
Highly
goodies.
recommend if you're in the Maryland area. Cunningham Falls, Chimney Rock. Pretty awesome trail.